Hi guys, today I've got this easy low updo for you. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and we're going to split the remaining hair in half, and I'm just going to clip that left hand side out of the way for now. Now we're going to split the remaining hair in half again, and we're going to pop each of those halves into a low ponytail. Now working on the opposite side, we're going to do the same, so split that section in half and then secure each half into another low ponytail. So you should end up with 4 separate ponytails. Now taking the ponytail on the far left hand side, we're going to join it to the third ponytail, so miss a ponytail out, twist it towards the head and then secure it to that ponytail with another elastic band. Now taking the ponytail that's now on the left, we're going to twist this towards the head and join it with the very end ponytail on the right hand side with another elastic band. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And we're going to gently pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head to create a bit of volume, and also pinch and pull along those twists. Now we're just going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the twist to keep them secure. And taking the 2 ponytails that are left, we're just going to wrap these sections around one another and then gently pinch and pull at this twist to give it lots more volume. When you're finished, tie everything off with a clear elastic band. Now pop your fingers behind the twist on the left hand side and grab that ponytail twist with your fingers and pull the ends through. And then just secure it to the head at the top with a bobby pin or 2. And with the tail ends, all I'm going to do is wrap it around a bobby pin and then just hide it underneath. Fan out that little bun area and then just secure it at the bottom with a couple of bobby pins on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.